I'm ready. Yeah. And it's a military message. By the way. Real talk. You know, you got that little, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what get y'all niggas snapping, get y'all niggas in the zone. I'm in my military mode, stuck to that military code. She ain't never met Marley, can't be a military hoe. Man, hold on, this regardless, we on some military shit. I pop up MGM, I got a military stick. I'm in my military mode, stuck to the military code. She ain't never met Marley, she can't be a military hoe. Y'all niggas dig and get exposed, end of the story can't be told. Tell you the niggas I wouldn't fool. Tell them the bitches that I'm cold. Man for Marley, yeah, little bitch I'm on it, yeah. Rest the bitch up. Got something under this MGM shirt that'll give a nigga hiccups. I'm waiting on the connect the call, let's get it, waiting on the pickup. And young nigga, you can trip dog in your head there to get lift up. I walk with my head high in the trenches, even when I'm broke, nigga. I walk with my head high regardless, even when it's smoke, nigga. I don't duck no smoke, nigga. Headshot walk down, hold on, it's a blue candy, that's no joke, nigga. Love to see me broke, nigga. No get on go, nigga. No, I'm not watching that old nigga. I'm married, nigga. Y'all looking embarrassed, nigga. Pulled up in that Chevy and Impala, nigga. Like what's happening, nigga? 380, I keep it on the deck, partner. I ain't just rapping, nigga. Yeah. I'm in the military mode. Look at that military girl. And you never met Marley. Can't be a military hoe, man. I'm lit, bitch. I'm in my military mode, stuck to that military code. Ain't she never met Marley? She can't be a military hoe. Yeah, we military shit. I got a military stick. Yeah, little partner, I'm about to get so military rich. Yeah, Hero Money Entertainment is me. MGM, nothing free. Over Lil Bishop, Marley G, the ops gon' meet the street. Tell them take it in the streets. Come away from their mama. Cause man, I got a cooler system on this baby llama. Yep, half the fuck up commas. Hold on, but I ain't future. Fuck a nigga up, and I'll fuck over him in the future. He don't even got a future. Get that money like a future. Ain't no ATLs, New Orleans. Fuck it, I can hear what they callin'. Let's stop